These are the things or the steps you have to take if you are looking to buy a property in Abuja before the year 2026 runs out. Welcome back to our channel again. Here we talk about real estate and real estate opportunities here in Abuja. To make this video simply understandable, because a lot of times people are confused on how to start buying properties. So they watch a lot of videos and they don't know how to start. So if you are that kind of person, this video is specifically made for you. Here are the step-by-step methods you have to follow to buy property safely here in Abuja, depending on what you are looking for and the budget you have. The first step you have to take is knowing why you are looking to invest. What is the reason why you are seeking to invest or buy a property here in Abuja? Is it for personal reasons like building your own house, or you are looking to invest in a location so that it will increase in value, then eventually you can flip, sell it out and make money and move on? Whatever reason you are seeking to buy that property is necessary, you have to outline it. That is the first step. Then after that, what is the budget you have? Sometimes people have limited budget, but they are seeking for a fully developed location. So the budget you have will help us guide you to the right project or the right property tailored for you. And in real estate, it's necessary you know that there is no budget that is small. For example, if you have less than 5 million budget, you can buy a property or invest in a property that will definitely add in value and increase in value. And before you know it, that property has given you a lot of ROI, like what we call it, or would have increased massively. So the budget you have also gives us a clarity on what you can start investing on. Bearing in mind that you don't have to finish investing in real estate and you are broke. No, that's not the game of investment. You have to invest in such a way that you can also have money to fend for yourself. The second point is, now that we've gotten the reason for buying that property and the budget out of the way, the next thing is we visiting the property with you. Sometimes when you get to the property, you get to see what you are trying to invest in. And if you're not in Nigeria, you are based all around the world, or you're in diaspora, then we can also do what we know as virtual inspection to also take you to this property for you to see what development around it looks like. Third point is absolutely necessary and important. Sometimes people don't even know they have this offer on the table, which is payment plan. Payment plan actually helps a lot of people to invest in Abuja, because you start small, spread balance even up to 18 months. We have a property selling in Abuja today that you can spread balance up to 18 months. You don't feel stressed, you don't feel under pressure, but at the end of this month, you are a landowner. What a way to become a landowner or to invest in property. So seek for a payment plan, and we have flexible payment plan tailored for you. So we have 6 months payment plan, 12 months payment plan, 18 months payment plan. All these are made available for you, especially if this is your first time investing in Abuja. Remember, the goal is to invest in safe and profitable real estate, not just any random property. Not all properties are tailored for you, so you have to do your due diligence properly so that you can invest in something that will last or stand the test of time. We have properties starting with 7 million naira, where you can spread balance across several months, and you can even buy as much as possible, bearing in mind that these properties will definitely increase in price in no distant time. So call us on the number shown on your screen today. We will attend to any question that is bugging your mind regarding investing in Abuja. I know strongly that someone watching this video has always asked questions. I want to invest, but I don't know how to start. This is why you watch this video up to this point. So call us on the number showing on your screen today, and we'll take it up from there, so that before the year 2026 runs out, you'll become a proud landowner here in Abuja. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for amazing content like this.